So, hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video we'll cover the best ND filters. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. Taking full control of exposure is one of the joys of photography, and one of the best ways to have the freedom to control exposure as you wish is through filtering. While you can sometimes get away with using a small aperture and low ISO, those alone aren't always enough to achieve the proper exposure, and that's when a dedicated neutral density ND filter comes into play. Not to mention, neutral density is the only way to shoot long exposures during the day. Plus, they're the ideal way to create silky smooth water and capture stunning light trails. Without it, there's typically too much light in the scene for these effects. Thus, the right ND filter is a must in a photographer's bag. But most photographers find them slightly confusing, clunky, and don't understand their practicality. And sadly, manufacturers also have varying practices in naming filters, further adds to the confusion. With so many options in various sizes, prices, names, and strengths, it can be quite overwhelming to choose between options. So we've created a helpful guide on how to assess ND filters, and if you're on our website, scroll down to read that full detailed guide. If not, you can look at the link in the description down below, and that will take you right to the full guide. We've also compiled a list of the best ND filters in today's market. Coming in at number 5, NiSi's ND-VARIO. NiSi's ND-VARIO series is their variable ND range. Released in 2018, they offer this range in two varieties, either 1.5 to 5 stops or 5 to 9 stops, with 12 sizes ranging from 40.5 to 95 millimeters. The 1.5 to 5 stop variable ND range in particular is their nano-coated ultra slim filter that provides a variable exposure reduction, and you control the degree of density by rotating the silver knob, which is intuitive and straightforward. The transitions between density occur smoothly and are entirely free of the X blackout effect that occurs with too much reduction, and the thin filter profile ensures minimal loss in detail and definition. These glass filters are also both waterproof and oil resistant, and as a whole, they're well suited for both photographers and videographers wanting precise control over exposure, and perfect for maintaining the desired frame rate and aperture while filming. Overall, NiSi's ND-VARIO series offers an ultra-compact design with massive compatibility across all lenses from every manufacturer. Plus, it provides a useful exposure reduction range that replaces 5 ND filters without the need for adapters or holders. And with its sleek low-profile design and excellent build, it impresses and provides fantastic value as a mid-range ND filter. Coming in at number 4, Cokin's Nuances Extreme. Cokin's Nuances Extreme series is their high-end range of square filters. Released in 2018, they offer these filters in 3 densities ranging from 3 to 10 stops and 3 sizes. The ND-1024 in particular is their strongest and darkest filter offered, and this 2mm thick square filter provides 10 stops of reduction. It fits into Cokin's P-series holders, which supports a wide range of lenses and attachment thread sizes, and the holder has an optional inner padding to prevent light leakage. Cokin redesigned this lineup with a new type of tempered glass, which is 4 times more durable than their previous series, and this also makes the filter fully resistant to ghosting and flare and free from vignettes. Now it's perfectly equipped to take on the most intense conditions. Overall, Cokin's Extreme series is an excellent option for budget-friendly photographers looking for a robust system. It provides outstanding performance at a competitive price compared to rivals in a similar size. Coming at number 3, PolarPro's Variable ND, the Peter McKinnon Edition. The Peter McKinnon Edition is a new series in PolarPro's Variable ND range, specifically engineered to tackle the failures of this segment. Released in 2019, they offer this lineup in 2 densities ranging from 2 to 5 or 6 to 9 stops and 3 sizes. Their 2 to 5 stop filter in particular uses a fused quartz and aluminum build. This construction results in an ultra-low profile design that minimizes the vignettes and cross-polarizing when using wide-angle lenses. This filter is ideal for videographers who want to shoot 30 FPS videos, and it's entirely silent and smooth, perfect for making adjustments while recording. They also laser etch stops to quickly adjust the exposure by specific amounts or for quicker setups, and PolarPro includes a filter cover that acts as a lens cap for protection in a carrying case. Overall, the Peter McKinnon series by PolarPro is the ideal choice for those who shoot ultra-wide-angle lenses, and it's a high-quality design that specifically removes artifacts and maintains maximum details. And with a 2 to 5 stop range, it's a suitable choice across a wide range of lighting conditions. Coming in at number 2, Lee's Filter Stopper. The stopper range is Lee's most famous series to date. Released in 2011, Lee offers this range in 3 densities, ranging from 6 to 15 stops in 3 sizes. The big stopper in particular sits as their medium strength option of the lineup. It's a 2mm thick square filter that provides a 10 stop reduction, and it fits into Lee's 100mm filter holder. The holder has an inner seal to prevent leaks and flares during long exposures while maintaining easy insertion. Lee even has an Android and iOS app that you can download to calculate the exposure time, removing any guesswork, and they also include a protective pouch to protect the filter. Overall, while pricier than rivals that use resin constructions, the quality speaks for itself. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a robust option for midday photographs and a more professional system than most. Coming in at number 1, Breakthrough Photography's X4ND. Breakthrough Photography's X4ND range is a favorite amongst the industry, and for a good reason. Released in 2015, they offer this range in 4 densities, ranging from 3 to 15 stops in 12 sizes. The 10-stop filter in particular uses nanotech glass with 8 coats of multi-resistant coating, reducing glare, increasing contrast, and protecting the filter against dust and debris. They also redesigned the filter frame, which now uses their traction design with brass construction. This design prevents slipping and creates a more secure connection. Together, they deliver outstanding performance in the most rugged environments with little vignettes, color cast, and excellent sharpness. And Breakthrough offers a class-leading 25-year warranty to back it up. Overall, Breakthrough Photography's X4ND remains one of the sharpest and most color-neutral filters around, and they're the ideal choice for discerning landscape or architectural photographers wanting maximum detail. For the money, it couples excellent design and performance that appeals to a wide range and offers best-in-class support to boast. So there you have it, my friends. There's our list of the best ND filters. For more information on this list, and to read the full detailed guide on choosing the best ND filter for you, look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and that will take you right to the full post. If you're already on our website, scroll down and you can read that guide. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. PhotographyPX.com.